Hi everyone, my name is Khalid Saiduddin, and in this tutorial I will teach you about what is the importance of smart objectives in business. Smart objectives are very important for running the business successfully in the long run. Especially after COVID-19, the way of business has changed, the way of doing the business has changed, and I will explain you what are the possible solutions to your business by applying this business strategy in the long run. Now, starting with smart objectives, first is specific. Now, to be specific for smart objectives in your business strategy, it should state exactly what you want to accomplish, like who, what, where, why. I repeat, who, what, where, why. My example for specific would be, say for example, if I am running a sports shops and I sell tennis rackets, so I want to sell more high quality tennis shoes in my two shops, which is located in a mall near to a tennis tournament complex or a stadium. And I will do that to take advantage of the effect of tennis tournament in the month of December. So I am very specific that I want to sell more high quality tennis shoes during the tennis tournament in the month of December. I am very specific in my approach of what I have to do in my business. Next, moving on is measurable. Measurable basically means that how will you demonstrate and evaluate the extent to which the goal has been met. So example would be, I want to sell 30% more high quality tennis rackets, strings compared to last year in the two shops to take advantage of the tennis tournament. So measurable would be that I want to increase a 30% increase of sales specifically in my tennis rackets and tennis strings. So which will give me a comparison of what I have sold in the previous year and what I have to sell during this year in the month of December for the tennis tournament to increase the profit margins and to increase the sales of my business. Moving on to the third part of SMART, actually, which is achievable. Achievable basically means you have to stretch and challenge goals with an ability to achieve outcome. What is the action oriented verb of it? My example for achievable would be, if we put extra effort for 2 hours more for next 10 days during the tennis tournament, then we can increase our sale by 5%. So achievable would be that all the staff members can put 2 hours more during the tennis tournament for next 10 days, and we can increase the sales by 5% compared to last year. So this is a very realistic approach, very relevant approach and smart approach to increase the sales of your business. You have to be very much focused on how we can attain it. Moving on to the next part of SMART, which is relevant. How does the goal tie into your key responsibilities? How is it aligned to your objectives? So, example for it would be setting the shop to renovate the flooring and wallpapers during the tennis tournament will increase more footfalls during the tournament. So, if I am renovating my shop, I am changing the wallpaper, I am maybe putting extra effort for renovating the flooring of my shop, I am putting extra effort for making the shop more presentable, more attractive during the tournament. So it will be very much relevant for the stakeholders of my business to come to me, to interact with me, and maybe go for increase in sales and giving me orders for different products or services. So that is relevance of doing business. Next is time bound. So time bound is set one or more target dates, like by when to guide your goal to successful and timely completion. So my example would be that in next 10 days I want to increase at least 10% of my sales, which is selling 3 rackets or 2 rackets per day, 2 racket strings per day, maybe 1 pair of shoes per day, and that will increase the sales in next 10 days for 10%. So I'm very specific about the time. I'm very specific about what I have to sell. I'm very specific about how will I sell. So this is about time bound, and as you know that smart objectives is a strategy for the business to increase your profit margins, to reduce your costing, to increase your footfalls in the business or maybe in your shop, so that in the long run you can maintain your brand, maintain the quality of the brand, maintain your customers, and retain your customers so that they can go for a positive word of mouth about your business. So this is about smart objectives in business, having smart objectives. I hope you will correlate this with your business. You will talk about this with your colleagues, with your customers, or maybe suppliers. And please do revert back on teaching and coaching 2020@gmail.com on how we can improve in our tutorials. Your feedback is very valuable. In last, I'm very thankful to you for watching this video till here. And these smart objectives, which is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time bound, will help you in your business. And I hope that you will watch more of my videos, you will subscribe more of my videos on my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Thank you.